Outlet wires nicked during installation can cause serious shorts that might blow fuses or even start fires if you're not careful. So, when you're installing outlets, first thing you gotta do is turn off the power at the breaker box. Don't skip this or you're asking for trouble. Next, check the wires closely before hooking them up. If you see any nicks or cuts in the insulation, replace that section or the whole wire if needed. Use wire strippers to carefully strip just enough insulation off without damaging the wire strands inside. If you notice the wire's copper strands look broken or frayed, it's better to cut that part off and start fresh. When connecting wires to the outlet terminals, make sure they're tight but not crushed. You want a snug fit that won't come loose over time. Use electrical tape around terminals for extra safety if you feel it's necessary. Also, avoid bending wires too sharply because that can cause damage you don't see right away. Finally, once everything's connected, turn the power back on and test with a voltage tester or a simple plug-in device to make sure there's no short circuit. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlet wiring is ignoring small damage to the wire insulation, which can lead to shorts and shocks. Fix that by replacing any nicked wires immediately. Another common issue is over-tightening screws on terminals, which can crush wires and cause breaks inside. Just tighten until secure, but don't go crazy. Last, not turning off the power before working on outlets is super risky and can cause electric shock. Always double-check the breaker is off and test with a voltage tester before touching wires. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle electrical jobs safely. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors to get reliable work from people who need their skills without all the hassle.